Today, we're gonna be eating some waffles with some really good toppings. We've all prepared a waffle and we will randomly be served it by a random number generator, so this is the most fair way to serve breakfast. What do you guys think?
I love breakfast.
Me too. What I especially love is frozen waffles.
Oh yeah, the waffles are uncooked.
Let's get this over with.
Breakfast is served.
Oh man, this looks
So soggy.
delicious.
It thawed out while we were waiting for the other waffles we made this. Yeah, I didn't actually make this. This was Wolfgang Puck. So this is a good one here.
Okay, this
Can
it
pick
may
it up?
just be the trash bag. This isn't toothpaste, right? All
No,
the white stuff.
no. This is not
Okay, the
toothpaste.
Okay.
That would have been a good idea.
I did consider that for a second, but I was like, nah.
Get that juicy meat.
It's gonna end up being a taco, right? It's not even a waffle at this point.
Whatever works.
How you build the confidence to eat this shit?
You just can't. You actually can never do it.
What is it?
It's a waffle.
We'll find out the ingredients after he.
This was Uber Eats. They just dropped this off for us,
Just
actually.
let him eat it and stop being a pussy.
One bite is all it takes to fall in love.
That's a big bite.
That's gross.
Oh. Oh.
What are you tasting?
I don't think he's swallowed it.
What's your Yelp review, man?
Give us some
What are you getting hints of? This is like a waffle taste.
How many stars on this Google review?
Get the bag.
Get the bag, get the bag, get the bag.
Just send it. Just get it down.
We can't get it down. Don't force it, my man.
You do that.
You got water on deck.
What you're eating here is essentially a war crime on a plate. You need to, if you can't take it, it's no problem. I didn't think it was that bad either.
I just want to know how he's feeling.
I don't think he's feeling good.
It's yogurty and mustardy and meatball-y.
You hit it on the nose, friend.
It's just so good I might take another bite.
Oh! This is that new IHOP collab.
Oh, Craig. So. Easier than the first one.
I don't think it is.
He chewed it up.
Get him.
It's meatball stuff.
Drink some water.
Meatball's the centerpiece, man.
What is the white stuff?
Yogurt.
Cotton candy coker.
It's Coke.
The second bite a lot easier than the first. Somehow.
The second bite's a lot harder.
I think a third bite would probably be the best.
You gotta finish the whole thing?
No. I thought he'd stop at one, and that was fine.
That's right.
He's committed.
I wanted to eat the meatball.
I can't bear to watch this.
Once you get used to it, it's not that bad.
Breakfast is served.
Yeah, there's salsa on there. Salsa where I think is cheese. But, okay, my question is, do I have to eat the coin? Cause that's plastic. I'll take a bite.
That's just some ambiance.
Yeah, oh god, dude, that texture is disgusting.
Oh yeah. The texture is what I went for, man.
So
I'm a little upset that you got it.
yeah, there's
You can throw that to the side if you want. That's
let me
just,
wait.
If you want.
There's like milk and cheese. Let me scrape this off.
yeah, it's cheese on there.
I would love to eat this plastic coin, but
Yeah.
not today. Not today.
Yeah, get that ready.
Okay.
I did it. It's not that bad.
Okay. I just can't think about it. I'm almost done.
Take your time. Let me know when you want to know what's in that bad boy. Want to know what kind of cheese is in that?
Why is anything with salsa in it fucking disgusting?
I got a nice texture going.
That was like a pizza bagel gone wrong.
Breakfast is served.
Dude, that was so hard. That was so hard. Yeah. Hold on, let me get it.
Yeah, just one.
You know, the waffle ain't half bad.
Would you like to know what's in that bad boy?
Yeah, I would.
It was salsa, meatball juice, corned beef broth, and gold coin. Inedible. Please do not eat gold coin.
See, if I
You
had
didn't eat the gold coin, but
you should have
everything
given me
else
that
was
warning ahead of
rancid.
time.
That was not cheese. That was solidified corned beef broth.
That's why I had the consistency
Yeah, it
of vile,
looked like
nasty,
cheese, but
disgusting.
that was not cheese.
Where did the gold coin go?
I ate it.
I didn't get the warning ahead of time. I ate it.
No.
Yeah, you should have just put down that the whole thing is.
Oh no, you didn't, you fucking asshole.
Yeah, it is. Look at the Irish, I survived.
That was rough. I made a rough.
Good job.
That was rough.
Yeah.
So we pulled random number generators for the waffles.
He was like, fuck
This guy just pulled his own waffle. This was the thing he did not
That's
want
my
to get,
favorite reaction.
and now he's got to eat it.
Confidence.
I named this shit Vile.
Serve it up, yo.
I can't even look at this shit.
The tip is to not look and not think. Just make it through.
I think I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm gonna need that bag.
He's gonna need the bag.
There's no doubt about it.
He's already there. I don't want to.
See, I saw the sauerkraut in there, and I was like, I'm not that mean.
This isn't even a joke. This is the most awful thing I've ever
I was
made.
thinking about sauerkraut and I'm really glad I didn't.
Sauerkraut jelly, American cheese, and this.
The waffles soaked in Tito's vodka.
Oh my god, how long did you soak it?
Not long.
5 seconds.
It's just disintegrated.
Flop.
You're just gonna have to melt.
You're gonna have to
later.
full hand it. Yeah.
Smell that. Just smell it.
Oh, dude, that smells worse than mine tasted.
Smell that. Smell that.
That is so bad.
That's bad.
Yo, Paul. Yeah, just give
Smell
us
that
a whiff.
waffle.
Give us a whiff, quick.
He's gotta eat that.
Said cheese.
He's gotta eat that.
It is primarily sauerkraut smell.
Yeah, it is primarily sauerkraut, but
like
sauerkraut doesn't smell good.
Swiss or something.
Oh my god.
It's just, I wanted cheese.
No, I want
Willing
to,
to take
like,
my
this is so
chances.
gross.
Oh, here's where we wound up.
Yeah, no. You have to.
One bite.
Everyone knows the rules. One bite.
This is fucking hard.
It's a challenge, it's just picking it up.
Hear the noise.
You expected someone else to? You monster.
I gotta. It's just, it burns my finger, dude. This.
Somebody get him a spoon. Come on, man.
Do you have the garbage bag ready?
Yeah, he's
Yeah,
got
right
it.
next
He's
to
got it.
Nope.
Just the noise.
Hold it down, hold it down.
Don't think.
Come on.
Put that waffle in a separate part of your mind.
If you think, you fail.
It's like the great Descartes once said, if I think, I can't eat the waffle.
I don't know how they do this shit.
If you think about it, you fail.
No, he's doing it.
Just do it.
He's sub-compartmentalizing this waffle.
Nope.
He's not.
Choke it down.
Bodily fluids.
Choke it down. Press it down and throw it.
Can't trust anything anymore.
It's a shot.
His waffle and that Coke.
Holy shit.
Sounds like
That was impressively bad.
It looks like chicken parm. But it probably doesn't taste like that. Good guess.
I forgot how much like liquid is on here.
Oh, he's got grips though. He's got grips.
Oh no, it's losing out.
Oh.
Oh god. I just gotta go for it.
That's a hefty bite, my friend. Yeah, get a little bit of that, yeah. Good, huh? You were hungry, right? Yeah, that's,
I was.
that hit the spot.
shit's like 20 pounds. Like, this ain't no joke.
Good?
Yeah, I think that's enough. Oh, look, it's like just condensing through the
Eating
plate.
through the plate.
Worst thing I've ever.
I'll go to my